Hi there, students. Impolitic. Okay, this is an adjective. I guess you could have the adverb as well, impolitically, with no A. Okay, so it's if you are impolitic, you put your foot in it. You say the wrong thing at the wrong time, particularly in social situations. So an impolitic action or an impolitic word, it's something that's liable to cause offence, to cause problems. So I tried not to, I thought it impolitic to ask any questions about his ex-wife. Yeah. So if you are impolitic, you're being unwise, you're asking the wrong thing, you're asking something that is liable to upset people. Yeah, personally, I am very, very good at being impolitic. Yeah. Yeah, I don't even realize what I've done until afterwards. So, yeah, it's something that, well, it doesn't help the situation. It just makes people rather angrily. So, impolitically, I asked him how much he earned. Yeah, certainly in the UK, you don't ask people how much they earn. So if something is impolitic, it's inexpedient. Yeah, it's unadvisable. Yeah, it's the wrong thing. Okay, it's politically not very, very smart. Yeah. If you're trying to talk to somebody about a sensitive issue, then you need to take a politic approach, not an impolitic approach. Yeah, so impolitic, not wise, ill-advised, indiscreet, injudicious. Yeah, this is, if you're impolitic, you lack sensitivity in dealing with other people. Yeah, is to act with no emotional intelligence. Yeah. If people are really upset about something or angry about something, or there's something that's sensitive, then it would be impolitic to ask strong and rude questions about it. Yeah, you need to be a little bit more subtle. Yeah, so an impolitic question, a sensitive, a question that is not advisable. So I think good reporters, when they interview somebody, that's the place where you ask impolitic questions. Yeah, you see if you can get a reaction out of the person. Yeah, so this is failing to be sensitive. Yeah, something that's ill judged. Yeah, it was impolitic of me to invest all my money in that scheme. It could work, but I think impolitic more commonly, it's for social situations. Yeah, it's something that's not wise. Yeah, it's not tactful. Yeah, you put your foot right in it. Yeah, so let's see. There are sometimes there are moments where you have to ask impolitic questions because there's no other way of finding out the truth. Yeah. His behavior was rather impolitic. Yeah, he started trying to uh, flirt with, well, he started flirting with the boss's wife. Yeah, so it's not a good idea. It's not judicious. It's not a smart thing to do. Yeah. Okay, so the, the government's decision to implement this, despite the people's reaction to it, was very impolitic. Yeah. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6, maybe 6.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation, but use it in a semi-formal conversation, writing, or something very, very formal. And then as to origin, well, it comes from politics, politique in French, from Latin, politicus, yeah, from ancient Greek, politikos, from polites in ancient Greek, a citizen. Okay, so yeah, politic. Yeah, it's related to the way of dealing with people. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Impolitic, impolitically.